Hey everybody, welcome back to a new IPSY unboxing. I have the Glam Bag X today, which is the big one that costs $58, and it comes, I believe, it's either 3 or 4 times a year. Can't completely remember which one. Anyway, this should have 8 different products that are supposed to be a big deal and a lot more expensive than the normal IPSY products. And they are supposed to be much higher, and so that's one of the reasons why I'm super excited about it when I get these. I believe this is my second one I've gotten so far, and I really love trying this kind of stuff out. I'm not a huge makeup person, so if you're not big into makeup but you're curious about this kind of stuff, this is definitely the video for you. I've never been really big on putting a whole bunch of stuff on my face. It really drives me crazy. So I like being simple. I like things that make me look nicer without feeling like I have things caked on. So let's get into this box. My son already cut it open and I didn't peek, I promise. So open it up. First thing you see is some great styrofoam, which will really help with the packing that I do for my other business. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, I am a reseller and I resell full-time from home with my 5 boys and my husband in tow. So keep an eye out for those videos. Also, if you're curious about how I do reselling from home. All right, so here we go. Let's start pulling them out. Let's pull this thing out first because it keeps flapping in my face. All right, so here is the thing, IPSY Glam Bag X. And it looks like this time it is picks by Halsey. Choose your own adventure. So last time it was one of the Kardashians. I don't remember which one. They all just kind of blend together for me, to be perfectly honest. So I don't really follow that kind of stuff, guys. Anyway, all right, first item is by Tatcha. It's the Silk Canvas Filter Finish Protective Primer. Ooh, big glare. There we go. Let's open it on up and see what it looks like. Ooh, that is pretty. Look at those colors. All right, has a little pamphlet thing that shows what you need to do, I guess. What is that? Okay, so there's this pouch, which I'm assuming it's inside, and then there's this little thing. All right. Let's look at the paper. Glide the round scoop across the surface until the primer reaches the line marked. Warm between fingertips and press into skin in upward strokes. Use as the last step in skincare before makeup. So that's what it means. That's the little disc, and it has a line. So you scoop it till it hits this little line. I itch. Oh, don't you hate it when that happens? You have eyeliner on and it itches and you have to like scratch it. Anyway, okay, so let's open it up. It's interesting that it needs to be in like this pouch like that. That's cool looking. Smells very fresh. So you scoop it like this. Ooh, I'm excited.